Let's face it, the stock halogen turn signals, both front and rear and brake lights on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle are just plain dangerous. You definitely need to be considering aftermarket LED replacements. If you get rear-ended on a motorcycle, you may not get a second chance. This video in 4K. So today we're going to specifically talk about ProBEAM LED inserts from Custom Dynamics. They replace those dim halogen bulbs on your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I thank you for checking back in. And we've done other LED install and review videos. Make sure you search the channel. This is a sponsored video. We want to thank Custom Dynamics for sending us these LED inserts. They are high quality now that we've had time to inspect them, review them. Definitely recommend them if you guys want to get hooked up with them. Links in the description below directly to Custom Dynamics. If they weren't great quality, they never would have made it on this channel. So we are going to show you guys how to install this, both front and rear on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Make sure you stick around to the end. We're going to give you an idea of the difference in brightness between these and the stock halogens. So these ProBEAM LED turn signal inserts from Custom Dynamics are specifically made to replace those stock halogen bulbs in your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. For specific fitment information, please visit the Custom Dynamics website, link in the description below. And both front and rear are a nice plug and play system. The fronts that we're installing on a Dyna lowrider are actually smoked lenses. The reason it's smoked is because this light is actually white, so it adds a little additional white light to the front of your bike. But the nice thing is when you signal, the LEDs are actually amber, which shine right through that smoked cover. Want to save money, wrench on your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. And you can see the rear are the same form factor and the same plug and play. In this install, we have a red lens on the rear. However, if you want, for an additional fee, you can buy different colored lenses if you like the smoke. The reason you can use the smoke is that the LEDs for the rear are actually red, so the red would shine right through. So again, your choice of lenses, but today we're gonna use red. And again, any questions on fitment or lens color, please visit the Custom Dynamics website directly, link in the description below. And just know that some pre-2013 Harley models may need a load equalizer at time of purchase so that you get the proper flash rate on your signals. One of the first things we do here at Law Abiding Biker Media when we get a bike is light the rear up with LED lighting. A lot of motorcycles are injured and killed from being rear-ended by motorists. Anything you can do to light the rear up and grab the attention of motorists is definitely going to make you safer. All right, well, we're just moving to the rear of this Dyna lowrider. We're going to install these Custom Dynamics LED inserts. Okay, so you can see it has a flathead screwdriver on the side there. You're going to see him insert that screwdriver into the notch on your stock lens, a little pry, and it pops right off. If you're going to reuse your stock halogen bulbs, make sure you wear gloves so you don't get oils on them. We're not going to, so he's just going to reach in and push in and quarter turn to the left, and they'll pop out. One thing to pay attention when you're removing your stock halogen bulbs is there's two nubs on there. They're inset different lengths. That one there, and you'll turn it over. You see how that one's farther. So these only go back in one way. Your inserts will kind of be the same setup, so we know exactly how that came up out of there, and so we know which nub goes where. And before we put the LED inserts in, just look at your stock gasket in there. If it's popped out at all, make sure it's seated back in there so that everything fits. All right, so we have our new Custom Dynamics LED insert, and you'll see that just like your bulb, it has the two nubs, and we know which one came out of where. So he's gonna put that back in the same way the stock bulb came out. You'll see it's got a flathead screwdriver notch on the back, and just push in and quarter turn clockwise. All right, and once you get that, you can simply pop your insert up in there. Make sure you tuck your wiring back up in there. And of course, we're doing the rear, so we've got the red lens. You'll see that new lens comes with that gasket, so these are nice and weather sealed, last a very long time. Once you do that, you're just gonna pop that up over the insert that's in there. Of course, the tabs go on the inside. A little bit of pressure, There you go. All right, and we're moving right up to the front of the bike to get these ones installed. Okay, and same thing, there's a slot on the side just like the rear. He's gonna pop his flathead in there, a little pop, get your lens out of the way. And he's gonna reach in and push in quarter turn counterclockwise, remove that halogen bulb. And with a straight slot screwdriver, he's just making sure again that that gasket is seated up in there good. All right, and he's got his LED insert, of course, just like the other one, the halogen, set up like the halogen bulb. He's got his nubs in the right position. In the back with his flat slot screwdriver, push in quarter turn clockwise. All right, and up with his LED insert, just make sure you tuck your wire, and he's turning it, twisting a little bit, get his wiring set up back in there real good like so. And grabbing his smoke lens for the front, holding the whole assembly there. Little pressure, and just make sure that gasket, of course, is on that lens. There you go, one set, front and rear, custom dynamic LED inserts. And you can see on the front here just how much more light you'll get to the front of your bike. Of course, with them, we have the ProBEAM Custom Dynamics LED headlight. A lot of light up front of this bike, and now in the rear too. I hope you're well, and I definitely hope you are out there getting some riding in. Peace.